If you have cut your object out correctly, this is what it will look like when you open it. It's right in the center of your paper. There's no cuts from your object out to the edge of the paper. It's just like your image is exactly in the middle. Then here's what you do next. Fold it back in half the way it was. Then you are going to make some more designs on it. You want to take this open bookend side. Remember, here's where the spine was. We cut into it. Now we're going to cut on the open book page side. You want to fold the open side up to where the cuts start. Okay? So I'll say that again. You fold this open side up to where the cuts start. Open side, fold up, and you're going to bend it over to the place where the cuts start. So this is not correct. You would not want it folded like this because it does not fold up to where the cuts start. It's below where the cuts start. See that? You would not want to fold it up like this because then it's overlapping where your cuts are. You want this straight edge to line up right where these cuts start. That is what it should look like. Straight edge. And here's where the cuts start. That's one of the trickiest steps. Once you get that done, it's smooth sailing from there. So now you are going to make cuts in here. You're going to want to make basic shapes. So I would suggest either square, rectangle, or triangle. You do not need to draw these first. You're just going to get a scissors and you're going to start cutting them. So I'll start here with a triangle, diagonal line, diagonal line. And the piece fell out of there. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. I think next I will make a square. So I'm going to leave a little space between the triangle and the square. You do not want to cut all the way up to here because that will cut a big chunk of your paper off. So every cut that you make in, it is not going to touch this straight edge. You're going to stop cutting below that straight edge. And if it doesn't fall out of there, you can just do this, twist it around gently, and it'll pop out. Maybe here I want to do a square. If it doesn't fall out, just do that. And then I'll make a triangle over here. All right. When I open this up, these shapes are going to get bigger because the two triangles are going to connect together, making a diamond. These two this rectangle here is going to connect and make an even bigger rectangle. This square is going to open up and make a big rectangle. And this triangle is going to open up and make a big diamond.